For decades, the SUV category has been defined by a specific trade-off. To gain interior volume and utility, manufacturers had to sacrifice the low-slung aerodynamics and aggressive styling that define high-performance sports cars. A tall, upright chassis is, by its nature, the opposite of a track-focused machine. Applying a dedicated racing design philosophy to a massive utility framework creates an immediate mechanical tension. It requires forcing a platform built for passenger capacity to obey the strict physical requirements of high-speed airflow and cooling. You see this resolution in the front grille. The stance is positioned significantly lower than a standard utility vehicle. Its air intake geometry mimics a hypercar, engineered to ingest massive volumes of oxygen while using the front fascia to pin the axle to the pavement. By prioritizing this downforce-heavy profile over traditional blunt-nose truck proportions, the vehicle serves as a warning to legacy manufacturers. It signals that high-volume utility no longer requires a departure from aggressive performance. Along the side profile, the engineering challenge is managing the roofline. There is a delicate balance between sloping the pillars for wind resistance and maintaining enough vertical height for a functional passenger cabin. This wireframe illustrates air striking the front fascia. Instead of crashing, wind is guided into sculpted side channels, staying attached to the doors. Moving toward the tail, air detaches cleanly at the spoiler, eliminating the low-pressure vacuum that usually acts as a drag anchor. The side profile demonstrates that functional utility can coexist with a shape designed for high-speed efficiency. The rear assembly provides clear evidence of the power plant. Massive quad exhausts are high-flow outlets, minimizing back pressure to let the engine breathe under load. Between those exhaust banks sits a deep carbon fiber diffuser. This component manages the high-velocity air moving under the car, accelerating it as it exits the rear, creating a suction effect that keeps the chassis stable. Above the functional aero, the illuminated branding and sharp taillight geometry use the same visual language as the C8 Corvette, linking this massive frame to a lineage of endurance racing. These distinct anatomical details confirm that while the shell provides utility, the mechanical priorities remain rooted in sports car performance. Moving inside, the aggressive exterior gives way to a highly controlled, driver-centric sanctuary. The cabin is designed to isolate the driver from environmental noise while maintaining a direct connection to the vehicle's controls. The infotainment and instrument cluster are angled toward the driver's seat. This wraparound configuration mimics a fighter jet cockpit, ensuring that every digital readout and control toggle is within the driver's immediate line of sight. The racing-inspired steering wheel uses a flat-bottomed design. This shape provides more legroom for the driver and offers better tactile leverage during rapid, high-speed steering inputs. Throughout the center console, the switchgear is machined from premium alloys. This provides a weighted, mechanical feedback with every click, emphasizing the tactile engineering behind the luxury surfaces. Meticulous badge details are embedded into the cabin materials, maintaining a consistent brand identity that reaches every touchpoint of the interior. The interior geometry places the driver's experience at the center of the design, a stark contrast to the passenger-focused layouts found in traditional family vehicles. From a wide-angle view, the muscular wheel arches and sweeping lines harmonize into a single, cohesive entity. Every crease on the body serves a specific aerodynamic or cooling purpose. These proportions allow for a low center of gravity. By mounting the heavy mechanical components as low as possible within the frame, the vehicle gains a stability that belies its physical size. While the static design is an engineering success on paper, it requires real-world testing to validate whether these capabilities translate to the road. The highway serves as the first proving ground. These long stretches of open asphalt are where the vehicle's high-speed stability and aerodynamic tuning are put to the test. This top-down schematic illustrates downforce vectoring. As velocity increases, the body shape generates downward pressure over each wheel well. This artificially increases the tire's vertical load, allowing the heavy SUV to maintain a level of grip normally reserved for lighter sports cars. This stability at highway speeds indicates that the aerodynamic principles of the Corvette lineage have been successfully integrated into this larger chassis. Navigating off-road environments presents a different set of challenges. A performance-tuned suspension is designed for the predictability of the track, which is the mechanical opposite of shifting low-traction surfaces like deep sand. To handle the desert, the drivetrain instantly redirects torque between the four wheels. By detecting wheel slip, the system sends power to the tires with the most traction, allowing the vehicle to maintain momentum through a high-speed drift. Transitioning into the uneven terrain of a jungle environment tests the structural rigidity of the frame. Here, the chassis must resist twisting, while the suspension handles constant, jarring vertical impacts. As it moves through a muddy trench, the adaptive suspension independently articulates at each corner. This compression absorbs the shock of the uneven earth, keeping the vehicle stable and ensuring that forward progress isn't lost to the terrain. By successfully navigating these hostile environments, the vehicle removes the geographical limits usually placed on high-performance machines. Emerging from these tests, the vehicle has demonstrated that its design holds up under extreme environmental stress. It has bridged the gap between a design study and a functional, capable machine. This concept suggests that high-performance utility isn't a compromise. It is an evolution that brings the capabilities of the track to any terrain the driver chooses to conquer.